So I've got, so the thing about haiku, oh, sorry, hello everybody, hello everybody. The thing about haiku is they bring a particular kind of quality and mood and perspective, I find. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read 3 in a go. I'll pause slightly before and slightly after. These are a haiku written by Ken Jones from a book called Stone Leaks. She pauses on her phone so he can listen to the wind. Deep in nettles, one kissing gate after another. In a dusty window, ironing woman wanted. Yeah. Have a lovely day.